Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I would like to tonight just do a dirty pour across here. I'm going to see if I can get it to kind of get some wispies out from it and see what I come up with. And what I've got here is kind of some baby colors. I've got a turquoise, it's kind of dark. I have a bright purple. I have a sky blue. I have a light fuchsia. And I have my Naples yellow. And I have my little tiny cup. So I think what I'm going to do is start with a little bit of pink in here. I'm going to go to the blue, the Naples yellow, a little bit of turquoise. I don't want to use too much of the turquoise, just a little. We'll go with the purple. Go back around. A little bit of pink. A little bit of the sky blue. Naples yellow. Turquoise. Go back with my bright purple. I'll put some white on top. And I think I'm going to kind of just do a little pour. Let that settle out a little bit. Come back through. Get some more of these colors out here. There we go. That's pretty cool right there, coming together. I didn't put any silicone in here, but I see some cells popping up. Get a little bit of a tilt. Really want to pour all that pink off of there. It's like a little cell within a cell within a cell right there. Kind of neat. See if there's any air in it. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it some movement here. Looks like there was something stuck to the straw. There we go. Perfect. nice. I love the way these kind of trail off here. I'm going to give them a little bit of help, give it a little bit of movement. A little too much of that sky blue in there for me. But there's some really cool little loops in here. It looks really neat. Get my edges covered here a little bit. Pretty happy with it. Pretty happy. See if I can encourage that side to dip just a little bit off the corner. Wow. Very cool. I'm going to turn it around and see so you can see it from that direction. Kind of feel like it needs to come up a little higher here for some reason. Let's see if we can stretch it just a little bit. There's some really cool little cells there with the Naples yellow and the purple. It's like I don't want to destroy them. I'd like it to cover a little bit more of the canvas. A little less negative space. I like that. I like that. It's a little bit of white over there and over here. It's more even. This corner right here needs some. Well, that was more than I wanted to do right there. Try that again. That's better. Do I like it, like it, like it? So pretty. See if I can get my camera down here so you guys can see everything that I'm seeing. Because there's some really cool things going on. Okay. So here we are. Starting with the negative space. Coming up into this yellow. Some really neat little cells in there. There's the sky blue. A little bit of the turquoise is popping out. Nice little feathering. We get down here and there's these cute little pink cells going on. Some really neat stuff going on through here. Well, everybody, thanks for visiting with me tonight. Share my videos with your friends. If you enjoy them, give me the thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to try and put some videos out probably every 2 days. So, again, thanks for visiting with me. Bye.